Welcome to WP Services, where we empower you with essential knowledge to keep your WordPress website in top shape. Moving your WordPress website can feel daunting. Today, we will simplify the process in this video. Let's dive in. Safety first. Start with a backup. 80% of website owners regret not doing this, and you don't want to be one of them. Ensure your new host meets WordPress requirements. Remember, faster hosts can improve website speed by up to 50%. Set up a fresh WordPress on your new host. This is where your site will move to. Use migration plugins. All-in-one WP Migration and Duplicator are popular choices. Transfer your backup files using the migration plugin. This will move your content, themes, and settings. Compare your old and new sites side by side. Ensure all pages, images, and links work correctly. Point your domain to the new host. This can take 24 to 48 hours to fully change, so patience is key. Update your website URLs if needed, especially if you've changed your domain name. Migration done. But always remember, moving can have surprises. Stay observant for any issues in the following days. Hungry to learn more? Dive deeper with the resources below. Remember, knowledge is the bridge to a smooth migration. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks about WordPress.